Hello everyone, welcome to Spoonfuls Every's, your go-to destination for delectable dishes. Today we are diving into a dessert, homemade blueberry cheesecake. To start, we will whip up a buttery graham cracker crust, which is perfect base for our cream cheese filling. Here I have taken Britannia Nutri-Choice digestive biscuit. You can take any brand biscuit and crush it in a blender. After that, we'll combine crushed graham crackers with melted butter and mix it well. Now take a side open pan and press the graham cracker into your pan. Now let it set on the freezer. Now let's focus on the filling. Cream cheese is the star here, so we need to beat it until it's smooth and fluffy. Now we will soften it little and then we will beat it. After that, I will add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar and mix it well. Then we'll add whipping cream. You can take any brand whipping cream. Here I have taken non-dairy whipping cream. And we'll beat it until soft peak. After that, here I am adding blueberry essence. If you want, you can skip it. Then again I will beat it. Here I am adding lemon zest. If you want, you can skip it. Once your filling is ready, pour it on the crust. After that, tap it and let it set in the freezer. I will not bake it here. If you want, you can bake it as well. It is a non-baked cheesecake. I will spread evenly the filling. Now let it sit in the freeze for at least overnight. It is well set. Now I will add blueberry crush on the topping. If you want, you can make the crush at home also. Here I am using ready-made crush. I will spread it. Then again let it sit in the freezer. After that I will demold it. And there you have it, a blueberry cheesecake that's creamy, tangy and topped with a burst of blueberry goodness. Perfect for any occasion or just because you deserve a sweet treat. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious creations from Spoonful Savories. Thanks for watching and happy baking!